Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a really easy, really quick kind of like goddess headband. We're using some soft rollover elastic is what this is called. You can kind of see there's that line in the middle and they call it rollover because you can roll it over. We have some fake flowers here that I've had purchased from the Dollar Tree. So I have several of these to see which ones I'm going to put on. And then I have some extra little embellishments that I may or may not use that are in here. And we also have our glue gun. Like I said, this is going to be really quick, really simple, really easy. Sorry about the lighting. I don't have my huge light right now, guys, so it may be a little dark, so I am sorry about that. Again, this is quarantine time, so you may hear a lot of noise in the background. I am also sorry about that. But before we get into the video, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up on this video. If you like it, make sure to share it out. Also, if you would like to follow me on social media, all of that is linked down below in the description. And let's get into it. Sorry, I just oiled my hands with some baby oil gel, so it's like really shiny. Yeah. So first thing we're going to do is to put this together. This is for my daughter, so I measured this one out to be 17 inches long. The whole thing is 17 inches long. Her head is rather small, but sometimes depending on how she wears it, it fits perfectly. But this is really stretchy, so this could probably fit my head too. I may have to make her another one slightly smaller. But basically that's how we did. We just went ahead and just glued it together with the hot glue. Now also what you want to do before you start putting these on is taking this back piece off. Now if you just pull it out, it will take out the middle that looks like the little pollen or whatever. So you just cut that off. Be careful, be safe. If any kids are watching this video, make sure you're being careful. Also, make sure you pick up your pieces when you're done. Because these things sometimes like to pop all over the place. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish cutting these off, and then we'll just start placing them. Okay, so we have those pieces cut off. I always keep a trash bag next to me just in case. So let's go ahead and put this thing together. So here we go. This is what it's looking like so far. I think it's really pretty. However, I do think these middle flowers are just a little bit plain. So we are going to add some spice to these two. Okay, so because these two middle flowers look really plain, I'm going to doctor them up just a bit. And I just went around a little bit so she has something here on the side. But I'm going to take these cute little fabric hearts and I'm just going to put them on the inside of the flower here. So here we are. Here's the finished product, guys. My daughter is downstairs, so I don't want to go run and get her to put this on, but I think this is really cute. Summer is going to be here soon. Hopefully the sun will start coming out a lot more, and it's time to start wearing pretty headgear. Now, making these yourself, you can make them for any size, for infants, toddlers, older girls, for yourself. These are really easy. Like I said, I got the flowers from Dollar Tree. I've always had these at home. Right now it may be a little bit harder with the quarantine and everything to find the flowers and things like that, but these things I also have at home already. I will leave a link to either my Amazon shop and you could check out the list, or I would try to leave the links if I find any of these on Amazon. I'll try to leave the links for you so you can make some of these yourself. And I did order this online as well, and unfortunately the shop that I ordered from in California is actually closed down online right now, but again, I can leave an Amazon link for you to find this, because that's where I've been ordering everything that I don't have now has been coming from Amazon. So yeah, I hope you liked the video, guys. Sorry for it being so short and so quick, but there's a lot going on with the kids being home. I have to be here for them, so I'm trying to get videos out as I can, but I've been wanting to do this for the longest time, and I figure, you know, since I'm making these already, I might as well just make one and show you guys how I did it. You can make these with fabric flowers that you make yourself, these fake flowers, or anything else that you like. You could put bows on it. Just make it your own, guys. My videos are just kind of ideas of things that you can do. So again, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. If you would like to follow me on social media, all of that is linked down below in the description, and I will see you all next time. Bye!